day he left. It's still the suitcase full of regret. I hailed a taxi in the rain, looking for some place to ease the pain. Hey, just like an answered prayer, I turned around and found you there. You really know how to start fixing things hard. You know what to do.
You really know what.
Dito na nga lang ako. Should not do can cure any fool whose dreams have fallen apart. Fixing a broken heart. Fixing a broken heart. Now I don't understand what I'm going through. There must be a plan that led me to you, because the hurt just disappears in every moment that you are near. Yes, like an answered prayer, you make my loneliness easy to bear. Sweet mo dapat dyan. You really know how to start fixing a broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional too. Cure any fool whose dreams have fallen apart. Fixing a broken heart. Ay na, ano bridge na? Soon the rain will stop falling, baby. Now forget the past. Here we are at last. You know how to start fixing a broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional too can cure any fool who's fallen apart. Hindi. Fixing a broken heart. Fixing a broken heart.
Ito ang music video namin.
Uy, grabe, walang kwento.
I hope you enjoy.
There's nothing to say today. You left.
Ulit mga bes.
There's nothing to say today. You left. Just feel the suit.
Ano ba yun?
Full of regret.
Ulitin natin!